Inventory report, one page. Orders, another page. Settlement, somewhere else entirely. Amazon makes you go hunting for every single report. Here's how I pull all of them from one sheet. In this video, I'll show you how to pull Amazon reports for all of your stores at once in one batch. We'll go through what these reports actually are, how to open Seller Sheet's store reports sheet, what goes in each column, and we'll pull a real report together. Then at the end, there's one report Amazon won't let you create at all. You can only search for it. I'll show you that too. Do this once and you've got it. Like I said, in Seller Central, every report lives somewhere else. Inventory here, orders there, returns, brand analytics, settlement, all on their own pages. You're clicking around just to find the one you want. Seller Sheet puts all 70 plus of them in one catalog, and that's the store report type sheet. Every row tells you what the report is, whether you need brand registry for it, and whether it needs dates. Find your report here first. There are two ways to open the store reports sheet. The direct one. Head into Google Drive, open the Seller Sheet folder, then Store Reports. And that Seller Sheet Store Reports file is the template we set up for you automatically. The faster one. From any spreadsheet, go to Extensions up top and open the Seller Sheet sidebar, click the Store Reports tab under Sellers, then hit this spreadsheet icon under Resources. It opens the sheet for you. If your sheet is out of date, or you deleted a header or wiped out the notes by accident, click Reset to Template in the sidebar. It won't touch your data. It renames your old sheet with a backup prefix, tucks it away, and hands you a clean copy of the latest template with the headers, the colors, and the notes all back. Start with the colors. Gold, you have to fill in. White depends on which report you're pulling. Gray gets filled in for you, so don't touch it. Now, column by column. Store, which store you're pulling for. That's your store name - country code, like SSAE. Report type. Copy the name straight out of the store report type catalog. Data start time and data end time. Your date range. Year, month, day, only some reports need it. Report period. Only the analytics reports, brand analytics and sales and traffic need this one, and it's week, month, quarter, or day. Report options is advanced JSON. Almost no report needs it, so leave it blank. Everything in gray fills in once you hit the buttons. Request time, report ID, processing status, sheet URL, folder URL, quick note on report ID. If a row already has one, create skips that row next time. And you can paste an ID in there yourself, which we'll actually do later. And anytime you're not sure about a column, just hover over the header. The note tells you. Every report wants something different, and the notes tell you what. Let's do 3 real ones. First, AFN inventory. This one's a snapshot. Amazon just grabs where your FBA inventory stands right now. So all you fill in is the store and the report type. No dates, no period. Second, all orders. This one's a date range. You give it a data start time and a data end time, and it pulls everything in that window. Third, search terms. That's a brand analytics report, so on top of the dates, there's one more field. Report period, we'll pick week. And week comes with a rule. Your range has to be exactly 1 full week. Start on a Sunday, end on the Saturday of that same week. Now look at the dates I put in. They don't line up to a Sunday to Saturday week. I'm leaving that in on purpose. Create is still going to hand us a report ID, but Get is going to throw an error. And honestly, that's the best thing that can happen because now I get to show you how to read it and fix it. Oh, and search terms only works if that store is enrolled in brand registry. Here's what Create Reports actually does. It looks at the whole sheet. Starting at row 4, it goes down row by row, and any row that has a store and a report type filled in and no report ID yet qualifies. It sends a request off to Amazon, which means you can load this sheet up. Different stores, different reports, all at once. Then hit Create Reports one time and fire them all off. Click it, and every row that qualified gets an ID in the Report ID column. That's your request going through. Seller Sheet does the prep. You just hit the button. Now, get reports. On Amazon's end, these reports get built in the background. They're not instant, so Get Reports goes and checks for you. It takes every row that has a report ID, asks Amazon where it's at, and writes the answer back into processing status. Not ready yet? Click it again, and here's the one I broke on purpose. The search terms row didn't come back done. It came back fatal, and it tells you exactly why. Data start time and data end time must span exactly 1 reporting period. That's our dates not lining up to a full week. So 3 statuses to know. Done. You're good. Fatal, you got the setup wrong and the message tells you what to fix. Cancelled, there's nothing to give you right now. See the stranded inventory report? Cancelled. That just means you don't have any stranded inventory. Nothing's broken, everything else made it to done. So let's fix it. Do what the message says. Set the dates to a real full week, Sunday through Saturday. But here's the part everybody misses. To get this row to run again, you have to clear 2 cells first. The report ID and the processing status. Why? Because create skips any row that already has a report ID. And get skips any row that's already finished, and fatal, done, and cancelled all count as finished. Clear both and create will send it again and get will check it again. So wipe those 2 cells, hit create reports, a new ID shows up, hit get reports, and there it is. Done. And what does a good one look like? Look at the rest of the batch. All done, and every row got a sheet URL and a folder URL. The sheet URL opens the report itself, already downloaded for you. The folder URL is that store's folder in Drive with all of its reports in it. One last one, and it's the odd one out. The settlement report. Amazon builds this one on its own schedule, so you can't create it. You can only go find the one Amazon already made. That's what the report lookup sheet is for. Fill in the gold columns like before, store and report type, then use created since and created until to give it a window, and click search report. It lists what it finds. Report ID, date, status. Take the report ID for the settlement one, drop it into the report ID column over on store reports, click get reports to pull it down, then click the sheet URL, and there's your settlement report. One more thing about search. If you ran a report a while back and it's still good, you can find it this way instead of running it all over again. And that's it. You learn one, you've learned all 70 plus. Need a new report? Add a row, put in the store, and the report name. Same 3 moves every time. Find the report, fill it in the way the note tells you, create, then get. If it needs dates or a period, follow the note and you won't get burned. If it errors out, read processing status and fix whatever it's complaining about. And the ones you can't create, you go search for in report lookup. That's the whole thing.